Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about adverbs. Let's get started. First of all, what are adverbs? Adverbs describe verbs. They describe how or why we do something. There are, for example, adverbs of manner. He speaks beautifully. Spricht schön. Or adverbs of place. I'm inside. Ich bin drin. And there are many more, but today we focus on adverbs of frequency. And therefore words like never, rarely, sometimes, often, and always. Words that describe how often we do something. We focus on these adverbs today because we do not only use them quite often, but also because we need to pay attention to the sentence structure when we use them. First of all, let's take a look at the adverbs I just mentioned. Never is nie. Rarely is selten. Sometimes is manchmal. Often is oft. Mostly is meistens, and always is immer. But how do we use them in a sentence? Let's take a look at an example. He always does his homework. Here we'd say in German, macht immer seine Hausaufgaben. His parents must be so proud. But what we see here is that in German, the adverb of frequency moves to the position after the verb. Whereas in English, it usually precedes the verb. So, here are some more examples. Ich laufe oft zum Supermarkt. I often walk to the supermarket. Du siehst selten fern. You rarely watch TV. Here we see that the adverb moves in between a separable verb. Putzt manchmal nicht die Küche. He doesn't clean the kitchen sometimes. Wir essen meistens Kartoffeln. We mostly eat potatoes. Sind sie immer pünktlich zu Hause? Are they always home on time? So even when we use questions, the adverb stays in third position. I hope these examples help to clarify how we use adverbs. So whenever we use them, remember to put them into third position, usually right after the verb. Well, now you know how to use adverbs of frequency. If you want to learn these adverbs and practice how to use them, just click on the link below for a free exercise. As always, no sign up necessary. For more explanations, exercises, and fun learning games, visit our website at www.wasdas.com. You'll find the link down below as well. Next time, we'll talk about how to use the Präteritum, one of the German past tenses. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun German lessons. Bye bye.